Next, which of the following fractions are in ascending order? Now ascending means what? Least to greatest. So this side should be the least and this side should be the greatest. We have to check among these four. We'll start with the LCM method. The LCM method is 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 6. This is the first A option given. So what we have to do is, we have to find out the LCM of the denominator. 2, 3 and 6. Now how to find out the LCM? You can check earlier video of mine. I'll show you here also. See over here. Write the three numbers 2, 3 and 6. Then go on dividing. 2 1s are 3 is not divisible, so 3 like that only. 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are, then 3 and this 1 comes the same only. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So go up to the time we get 1 1 1 over here. Then what the answer LCM is 2 multiplied by 3. All these numbers are multiplied and you get 6. It's explained in my earlier videos also. Kindly check there. Try to bring 6 as a denominator now for each fraction. So 2 3s are 6. Multiply numerator by 3. 3 2s are 6. Multiply numerator by 2. And 6 1s are 6. Multiply 2 by 1. So now the denominators are same. Now you just compare this. 3, 4 and 2. Are they in ascending order? No. So the answer is no for A. Similarly, you can try it out for B, C and D option. Bring the denominator for the LCM. LCM is 6. Then 3, 2, 2. Is it ascending order? No. 2, 4, 3. Is it ascending order? No. Because 3 is less than 4. 2, 3, 4. Is it ascending? Yes. So the answer is D over here. Try it yourself, doing each and every problem with your practice. Answer is D. There is a simpler and faster way to do these types of problems, but this is only for those who understand maths very fast. Here, what you do is do simple thing. Reverse each function, means 1 upon 2, make it 2. 2 upon 3, make it 3 upon 2. What is 3 upon 2? 3 upon 2 is 1.5. Means 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. 2 upon 6, make it 6 upon 2. It is 3. So 2, 1.5, 6. Now is this option descending? What we want is ascending order. So the reverse should be descending. Is this option descending? 2, then 1.5, then 3. Descending means greatest on the left side and smallest on the right side. So greatest is 3. It's not on the left side. So not there. Then next is again same logic. 2, 3 and 1.5 for B options. Is this descending? 3 is greatest. It should be on the left side. Not there. Next is 3, 1.5 and 2. Is this descending? 3 is on the left side, but on the right side it should be the smallest number. 1.5 is the smallest, so it is not on the right side, so not descending. So here again 3, 2 and 1.5. Is this descending? Yes. 3, then 2 is smaller, then 1.5 is smaller. So this D option is smallest. Descending order, correct. So if the reverse is descending, then the actual fraction will be ascending.